Hey friends, we're here in Tampa, and I'm with the illustrious Dr. Cynthia Stewart, pastor of the Gathering Place, along with her husband, Chuck Stewart. We're here, and we are excited because we're planning the first annual writing workshop this year, March 16th and 17th. It's going to be held at Grace and Peace Global Fellowship in Tampa, Florida. Not far from the Bay and not far from the military base. Dr. Cindy, tell us what we can expect.
We're excited about this. What you can expect is to help you unleash the creativity in you. You know, this is a season where people are hungry to know what you know, and the best way to do it is to get it on paper so it can be widely distributed. So you'll learn about creativity. You'll learn about how to publish, what's the best publishing avenue, and how to get launched and build your platform.
Yeah, it's very important. Many of you have books in you. You have ideas in you. You know, it talks about in Habakkuk, write the vision, make it plain. So we're going to teach you how to transfer what you have in your heart into something that you can articulate in the pages of a book. And you know, the thing about books is that it's basically how to eternalize the things that God has given you and to put them down on paper so they could be read forever. So we want you to learn how to unlock the gift of writing, how to get published. We're going to talk about how to overcome some of the barriers to writing a manuscript, just some practical things. And we want you to be really, really excited about it. It's coming up this March 16th and 17th. So you need to register at www.cindy-stewart.com. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah.
It's Stewart, cindy-stewart.com. You can go straight to the registration. There's a big banner over it. Register now. You'll love it. We had people that came to our very first one that had books published from that. So know that if you come, you'll be equipped to do what you need to do to get published.
Yeah, we want you to be equipped. This is the season. Don't talk about, man, I have this book, I have this idea, I have this dream. It's time to actually put it into practice. It's time to put it into practice. And so we want to help you to do that. I'm a published author. She's a published author. And so we want to show you some of the things. I've written 13 books, and I'm going to show you how to be successful.
That's right.
In writing a book, how to write a manuscript, how to get it out there. And then we're going to show you how to get published, how to self-publish, which one is the best option. So we'll go over some of the details and the technicalities of writing. But we're going to do something else very special. We're going to sort of release over you that grace, that impartation that will help you go to the next level in your writing. Do you want to say something to him?
Yeah, and I want to say that you are the best investment you can make. When you invest in yourself, then it affects everyone around you. So don't miss this opportunity to invest in yourself so you can make an impact on the people around you and to leave a legacy in words.
Yeah, so go register right now. Cindy-Stewart.com. You can register today and get ready to have a very powerful time at the Writers Workshop. God bless you. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.